You should have known by now that starting from 1st of January 2024, Shopee revised the transaction fee calculations to exclude Shopee sponsored discount, meaning that the amount used to calculate transaction fee will be slightly higher, and thus the fee you have to pay will also be slightly higher. How much higher exactly? Do you know how to calculate the transaction fee? Before this revision, transaction fee was calculated whatever the buyer's payment times 2% plus SST. After this revision, we have to take the total product price minus any seller-sponsored discounts plus any shipping fee paid by the buyer, then times 2% plus SST to get the transaction fee. Now you know the basics of transaction fee calculation. I have a tool to help you using the past sales data to estimate how much extra you will have to pay for the revised transaction fee. This is the Compare Fees module in my free Excel template of $100 Shopee calculator. This module is used to analyze how many of each voucher is being used by the customers, how much shipping fee is subsidized by Shopee, and what is the fee difference if you are to sign up or switch Shopee programs such as the free shipping program and the cashback program. With the new revision of transaction fee, I added a toggle right here. So you can choose whether the transaction fee is calculated before or after Shopee sponsored discounts. Before I demonstrate how to use this module, you will have to learn how to download, set up, and import the reports. Check out the video at the top right corner or use the links in the video description to learn more. This section is showing your current programs and data extractions of how much fee you are paying to Shopee. For the topic of today's video, we want to find out the transaction fee difference after 1st of January 2024. So we chose the same program set that we joined. After choosing the program, the fee difference is 0 because we have not switched to the new calculation model. After switching, the template will calculate automatically and let you know the fee amount difference. Because my sample data here is not as big and I don't have many customers using Shopee voucher or redeem Shopee coins, so the fee difference is not that significant. This amount for your shop might vary greatly. If you want to plan for any selling price changes, I have got you covered too. This is the cost calculator module. I added a toggle here for the new transaction fee calculation model. This cost calculator module is used to calculate the fee for selling on Shopee and see the profit margin of each product or SKU. Whenever using my template, white cells or lists with white header are all user input. Meaning, you can input your price, cost, and commission fee rate for your product category here. To start analyzing, choose the programs set your shop had joined. Then input the cost for your product. The formulas will automatically calculate whenever there's cost input, so you can see your profit margin in real time. To accurately simulate an order, we also need to provide extra information of discounts and shipping fees. Normally, I wouldn't simulate Shopee discounts, but if your customers always use Shopee vouchers or redeem Shopee coins, you might want to simulate those order details too. After you provide every detail, you can choose the new transaction fee calculation model here. As you can see, with the new fee calculations, we will have to pay extra 10 cents for this simulated order. This might be too small of a change, but the situation of your shop might vary greatly. Should you decide to raise the selling price, you may try to modify the selling price with this column. Input the value and you can see your profit margin instantly. So what are you waiting for? Download this template for free and try to analyze how much you will be paying extra with the new calculations of transaction fee. Check out the video on the left to learn how to download and set up this template, and YouTube thinks you should watch the video on the right.